Hi everyone, is your Ultra Mobile eSIM activation giving you trouble? Don't stress, help is here. In this video, we will walk you through easy steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Let's get started. The device may not be unlocked, preventing eSIM activation on Ultra Mobile. The QR code used for activation might be invalid or improperly scanned, leading to activation issues. There could be compatibility issues with the device if it does not support eSIM functionality. There might be a network issue and no coverage in your area. Fix 1. Check internet connection. Make sure Wi Fi is enabled in your device and you have a stable internet connection. Swipe down the quick settings and enable Wi Fi icon. If it is enabled already, turn off it, wait for 2 seconds and turn it on. To check internet speed, open any video streaming app like YouTube, play any video and make sure it is not buffering. Try restarting the router or use alternative connections such as mobile data or Wi Fi if you have. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate network coverage. Sometimes the issue arises simply because you are out of range of the network. Go to Ultra Mobile Coverage Map page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and enter your location or address. Press enter to check the coverage. Check your new phone's compatibility. If you are bringing your own phone, make sure your phone is compatible Ultra Mobile network. To check your phone's compatibility, visit Ultra Mobile Compatibility Check page and enter device's IMEI to check and click Check phone. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Find IMEI number. On iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed. On Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Alternatively, you can dial *#06# on the phone app to display the IMEI. Step 2. Check new phone eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatibility check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click Check Compatibility button, select your device's brand and model. Click Check button. If it is not compatible, you cannot install the eSIM. Carrier unlock status, new phone. For iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the Network Provider lock screen. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it indicates any restrictions, the phone is carrier locked. For Android, open the settings, then go to network and internet or connection, then go to mobile network, then network operator or choose network, turn off select automatically. If you see a list of available networks, your phone is unlocked. If only your current carrier's network appears, it is likely locked. Fix 6. Update device's operating system. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date and running in the latest version. The default message app will be updated automatically. For Android, go to Settings, scroll down to System, Download and Install. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then go to Software Update, Download and Install. If downloaded option is not available, the operating system is already running in the latest version. Fix 7. Verify IMEI number. During setup your own Android device, you will be asked to scan a QR code or enter an IMEI and EID. Make sure you have the correct information ready. To find your IMEI and EID, dial *#06# from your phone. Go to settings, scroll down to about phone, then go to status and find IMEI. Fix 8. Restart device and try again. Restarting can help resolve issues with cellular, Wi Fi, or Bluetooth connectivity by resetting the device's wireless radios. On iOS, to restart an iPhone or an iPad, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the device powers off, then turn it back on. On Android, to restart an Android device, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, then select Restart and tap on it. Fix 9. Activating eSIM. Open the email containing the QR code and scan it using the device that will have the Ultra service. For Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to Mobile Network. Add mobile plan, scan the QR code provided by your eSIM carrier. Choose a label for easy identification. Ensure your eSIM is set as the default line for mobile data. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, then go to Add Cellular Plan. Select Enter Data manually. Enter the required information provided in the mail. Choose a label for your eSIM for easy identification. Under the default line settings, select your eSIM for cellular data. Fix 10. Try manual eSIM activation. If you cannot install the eSIM using QR code, try manual activation by entering the eSIM code. Go to settings, then go to network and internet, mobile network, add mobile plan. Click enter details manually under camera. Input the necessary activation information. Choose a label for easy identification. Ensure your eSIM is set as the default line for mobile data. For manual activation, you can also select enter details manually under the camera screen. Input the necessary activation information. Alternatively, you can simply open the camera app to scan the code. Select enter details manually and input the SMDP plus address and activation code. Contact customer support. Call Ultra Mobile's customer service at 1-888-777-0446 or dial 611 from your Ultra Mobile phone, or visit Ultra Mobile FAQ page. Scroll down to chat with live agent for further assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.